As we all know, there's no industry or no business in this world that will go uptrend all the way. And the beauty of being in this community is that we don't stop there. The next question that you're gonna ask the market is, do you believe AI and Web3 will be the next big thing?
You all have the opportunity to actually able to participate in the world first AI infrastructure token, which is PhilAI token.
In the artificial intelligence scene, in the Web 3.0 scene, PhilAI is going to become a lead player. Most important is that you believe the ecosystem that we set up is going to make sure every one of you are successful.
See, what I want to do is I want to help this community understand the power of what Dr. Jeffrey's about to give all of you to be able to use. And just so you know, everyone in the community is going to have it. This vision is so big with this community and how it's structured that we're going to help so many people with dreams, because all of you now are giving you that ability to share this vision with other people so they can keep dreaming.
I believe in this project like I believe in oxygen, because this token, and it has the capability of go above and beyond. Believe me when I say, if you accumulate this token, you will have a good amount of money in your wallets. PhilCoin, we're gonna change so many people's lives.
Everything I think that we do is community and connection and working together. That's really the thing that is super important, to show you that you've got each other, but you've also got lots of people at the leadership level all bringing something different to the table. Everything I've seen in community and this sort of super ecosystem we're talking about here, we have PhilCoin, PhilSocial and NEVO, and together they're going to bring something that I don't think anybody has sort of seen yet.
The main thing is I want to give all of you a lot of tools to actually, when you go out in the market, you are competitive enough. We are able to empower people that when they are affiliated with PhilAI, they are able to turn their $60 to $6,000. So that is something that I believe PhilAI is the heartbeat of our entire NEVO at this current moment. These 2 days, you have also witnessed the technology, you have also witnessed that PhilAI. Today, you are the first batch of PhilAI, of the entire NEVO movement. Have a clear vision and goal. Make sure that you can literally see how to get from where you are to where you want to be. Have a clear vision and goal to get yourself from where you are right now to where you want to be. And you definitely will be a master in NEVO ecosystem.